Hi, I'm Hamid Shojai, founder of Axosoft. We've been hard at work reinventing how project management is done for software development. We're launching a new product called GitKraken Glo, and I can't wait to show you. So let's jump right in. For every new project in Glo, we make a new board. For this example, we'll create a starter board and add a few cards. While adding cards, if we hold down the Command or Control key, depending on your OS, and hit Enter, it opens up the details of that card, where we can add a description, and the description allows markdown. How cool is that? And we can drag and drop images too. And add some tasks right here. We can easily customize the workflow of our board by quickly adding new columns, and dragging and dropping columns to rearrange our workflow. For each board, we can add users. These users can be anyone with an email address. They don't need to be part of our organization. And because access control is on a per board basis, every board has its own user security settings. While we're here, we can also create some labels we intend to use for this board. Once we have some users and labels, we can easily assign users and labels to each card. Each user will then be notified of their cards through Glo's notification system. Here's one of my favorite features. When you're adding new cards, you can just type @username and #label to automatically assign this card and add a label right inside the Create New Card text box. Now, let's skip ahead to a more complete board so we can show off some of the power features that developers will love. First off, check out the search and filter capabilities. As we type, we get instantaneous search results. We can focus on items assigned to a particular user or with a particular label. If we want to go through a list of items to look at the details, we simply click on the first one and use the up-down arrow keys to navigate our cards quickly while looking at the card details on the right. This makes it extremely convenient to throw the board up on a screen in a daily stand-up or meeting and quickly go through everyone's assigned tasks. Then, there's the integrated access of Glo inside your favorite tools. From GitKraken, Glo is just a click away on the toolbar. No additional logging in, you just click and immediately access your Glo boards. Inside of Visual Studio Code, or Atom, we have Glo plugins that can live side by side with your code. You get full Glo access inside your favorite editors, so you can write some code here, and then you can immediately update the card for it here. No more context switching causing loss of productivity. Another of my favorite features of Glo is the ability to sync a Glo board with the issues in a GitHub repository. It's amazing how easy it is to connect your GitHub account and sync up the issues between Glo and GitHub. Once you create a new Glo board for a GitHub repo, all the changes made in either system are immediately reflected in the other system. So not all of your team members need to make the switch right away. When you add an issue in GitHub, boom! That issue is instantly in Glo. Add a label in Glo, and the label is instantly in GitHub, but not quite a boom, because, well, you know, GitHub requires a refresh. And of course, the added benefit of having columns in Glo allows you to get the power of workflows for your GitHub issues. And with Glo, you can have an unlimited number of boards, with each board having its own workflows, labels, users, and security. And since each board is completely independent of the other boards, the system is always blazingly fast. And we're just getting started with Glo. Our roadmap is packed with things to boost developer productivity. Now, here's the best part. Everything I've shown you is completely free for non-commercial, open source, or even your own personal projects. So get glowing with GitKraken Glo, the legendary issue tracker for dev teams.